Hello, children. You are welcome to the digital classes of Christ Church Convent Higher Secondary School, Kadawara. I am Amit Toshniwal, your English teacher. This video is for class 8th. Subject is English. Lesson number 5. Trees are the kindest things I know. Acha. Before starting the lesson, or means it's a poem actually. Before we start this, can you tell me the benefits that we receive from trees? Just think what benefits we are receiving. What do we get from trees? Are you thinking about? Yes, you are getting oxygen, correct? And yes, cooling, okay? Think more. What else you are getting? Yes, medicines. So keep thinking and think. Yes, shade you get during summer. Yes, correct it is. Yes, it is a shelter for birds. Keep thinking, keep trying. So, what I mean to say, there are number of benefits. Yes, we get timber, wood, yes, fruits, flowers, leaves of many trees as means used in herbs, medicinal plants. Yes, correct. So, yes, so that is why trees are considered kindest things, because they serve mankind. They give many things to mankind, to humanity, to animals, to birds. Acha, can you tell me the names of some trees which you find around you, in your surroundings? People, banyan tree. You can tell me the name of shrubs and herbs also, not only trees. Tulsi ji, correct. Mango tree, guava, lemon. Yes. So we get number of trees around us which are very useful and helpful for us. So let us start the poem now. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do no harm. They simply grow. So is there any harm which trees give us? No. They never harm us. They always help us. And they simply grow. So even they are not poured water by us. So they collect the underground water from their roots and simply they grow. है ना? अब जंगलों में कौन जाता है पानी देने के लिए? कोई नहीं. But they are absorbing water, underground water from nature, and they are simply growing. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. Shade, अभी किसी ने सोचा था कि shade भी होता है. Yes, तो not only cows, to human, हमको भी तो shade मिलता है. And gather birds among their bugs. Bugs means उसकी जो झाड़ियाँ होती हैं, जो पत्ते जहाँ पर बहुत सारे इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं, झुंड बन जाता है, झुरमुट जिसको हम कहते हैं, बग्स. तो birds come and sit on the branches of trees. They get a shelter. They build their nest on the branches of tree. They gave us fruit and leaves our fruit मिलता है, and wood to make our houses of. We get wood to make our houses, and leaves to burn on hollow even. So this is actually a night of 31st October, and it is believed that in the past dead people appeared from their graves, and which is now celebrated in some countries like US, Canada, Britain. So this is a festival which is celebrated, and so they burn the leaves of trees. And in the spring, new buds of green. During spring season, trees generate new buds which are green in color. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. When sun rises, so the rays of sun falls on the branches and leaves of the trees. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And when it is the time of sunset, so on the leaves, on the branches of trees, light remains till end. It disappears from earth and atmosphere, but it remains on the leaves and branches of the trees. And when a moon floats in the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. The lullaby means the poem, or in Hindi we say lori, which is normally sung so that a child, a baby, a kid can sleep. Okay, so when moon floats on the sky, when moon appears in the sky, floating means तैरना. जब चंद्रमा आ जाता है उस समय this simply the leaves makes a small sound like hum, like that. So it feels that they are drowsing. Drowsy means they are feeling sleepy. Trees are feeling sleepy. So the movement of leaves comes down. So थोड़ा थोड़ा रहता है, इसलिए like the buzzing sound of sleepy children long ago, like small children when sleep. So they are sung a lullaby. Trees are the kindest thing I know. So these are the very kindest thing on the earth. Okay. So this is all the explanation of this, and we'll continue its question answers in next video.